अपनी फोटो दे रहा हूँ. First of all, very good evening to everyone over here. And I was also very entertained hearing all the jokes, man. You're outstanding. Really, I didn't know you look like that, but that's the only thing I was. I was trying to put a face to you, and I was like, "Who is this guy? He's so funny, and he's and all. There's so many women in the audience, and you were only ripping at them, and you're all enjoying it so much." No, but first, very good evening to all of y'all, and thank you for gathering over here. Thank you, all of y'all, and. He was just saying that I'm so, they only want to take pictures with y'all, but I just want to tell y'all all his pet name. Do y'all know what his pet name is?
This is?
What? Tan. Yeah, so I think we should just, can we call you Tan? Or?
Sure.
I know he's the vice president, but can we still call you Tan?
Yeah.
Okay, so Tan is with us and he's really cool. So should we start with the questions?
Yeah. Now, since this was not part of the script, I decided to change some questions and make it tough for Varun. I think the first question to you is about your association with Pond's, and what do you think about your association with the brand Pond's?
See, first of all, obviously Pond's is a brand that's been in all our lives, and we've all been hearing about it and seeing it since, probably for me, since I'm a little kid and stuff. I've been seeing all these beautiful women always in the ads, and though I love all that, I think it's high time that Pond's went out there and made something for men. And any man who disagrees about skincare, I think that's a little lame, because I think in today's day and age, in the time of pollution that we face, or the type of lives that we have running around, everyone must have really had a hard journey coming here from wherever they must be, unless they live in the hotel, but I doubt that. But so I think you do need a face wash, you do need a moisturizer. So and I'm man enough to admit it that I do use one. And 3 months back, when Pond's came into my life, and I did try, I told you, I did try it, and it honestly does work. I guarantee it. I'm not trying to be a salesman. I'm not trying to pitch it to anyone, but I honestly do believe in this product, and I'm very proud of it, and I'm very proud to get it out there, and for everyone to catch the TVC as well, which we worked really hard on.
Yeah, so one of the things that, since he revealed the nickname, etc., the secret about signing on someone like Varun is that if he doesn't like the product, he doesn't endorse it. So actually it'd be great if you can explain to everybody the product you tried and why you felt so passionate about it to join us.
Since I became an actor, actually there was another cosmetic product that did come to me some time back, and I didn't believe in it, so I didn't end up doing it. But this came in and stuff like that, and I was I was never scared of endorsing a face care product, but I had certain things that it should work at least, I think these things should work at least. And I even told you, I remember that, someone asked me, what do you think that works? And I was like, long time back, someone had told me use Multani Mitti. And that is something that I did try, and I like, dude, that actually works. It's pretty good for the skin, and it did work. So I'll say that does work. And when I did try the Pond's face wash, you actually get revitalized. The way I explained it was differently. Usually when you brush your teeth in the morning and you feel like that minty sensation or whatever, you feel awake. It's the same way, it's almost like brushing your face, because it almost like wakes you up that minute. It's not like you're going to go and start doing like 10 push-ups or something, but it does, like, it gives you that kick. So even if you miss your morning coffee, as long as you do wash your face with this, honestly, you will get that kick and that energy, and that, you'll get into that mode to go out there and face the world.
A linked question, if you look at face care for men in India, what would you advise as a simple regimen that they should follow?
See, honestly, according to me, I think one thing, at least in Mumbai, if you're living in Mumbai and it's so hot right now in the city and stuff like that, that everyone's face does end up burning if you're standing in the sun. At least for me, because I'm shooting and stuff, or if you have any shows and stuff going on. So what you do need is a face wash which will remove all your dirt and re-energize you if you're having longer days. Since people are not only having their 8-hour days anymore, we're having like 10-hour days or 12-hour days or whatever. You finish this work and you go, you meet your friends, you go out. So every day is you have to look bright enough, you have to be appealing enough, especially in our field. I mean, our field, as in all of us over here, because we are meeting people. You have to be a people's person for that. So I think you need a face wash. I think the product is a very evolved product, as in it's keeping with today's day and age. Probably this wasn't the demand 10 years back. But in today's day and age, I think we do need a product which has this energy, because the working days have gotten longer.